Hey there, quick video here to show you how you can change the word training to the word lesson or anything else that you want to change it to. Any of this wording can be customized to whatever you need. And let's keep in mind first that when we are looking at a page of trainings, and by the way, I am previewing my course right now, and I'm looking at the All Trainings page. So I'm seeing what a student would see when they looked at their All Trainings page. And what we have here is the individual trainings. And remember that when we put in the actual title or description of the individual training, we're going to put that in step 3 of our course, in course content. But if we want to customize the language for the page, which is what we're looking at right here, we're going to do that in step 4. So let me show you exactly what I mean. Let's hop into step 4, pages and templates, and we're going to customize the All Trainings page. And to edit this, we're going to hover over the block. I'm going to hit the Edit Content button. Open up the data menu, and you'll see this information over here. We've got this pre-title, and you'll see the word module followed by a token for the module number. And here we have the word module followed by a specific module number. We have the word training followed by a token for a training number. And you'll notice that this token, which is the text surrounded by these little squiggly brackets. Anytime you see these squiggly brackets, you'll know that you're looking at a token that is going to automatically populate in the specific information. So again, you see we've got the word training, and it's followed by a token that's going to automatically populate in training 1, training 2, and so on. So keep in mind that you probably don't want to delete these tokens right here. If you do delete them though, no worries. You can bring them back by just hitting the / key and going into the section called tokens, and you'll be able to find the specific token that you need and just click to add it back in. But what we want to do right here is we want to change this word training to say lesson. So keep in mind, we're not going to do anything to change the wording inside this token because that will mess up the token. Instead, all we're going to do is change this word right here from training to lesson. And you'll see that it automatically appears everywhere on this page. So once again, to change that, I didn't go in and do something with the individual course title. If I wanted to change the title of my first training, that would be a different process. I would go into step 3. I would see my modules and my trainings. I would open up the module, and I would edit my training. And right here in training name, I would change the training name to be exactly what I wanted it to be. But if I want to change something, a piece of text that is going to appear on the template for my page, then I'm going to change that in step 4, which is where we are. And I'm going to customize the block, and in these text fields here, I'm just going to change that word to whatever I want it to be. Of course, I could change module as well to anything I wanted it to be. And once again, if I accidentally delete a token and want to bring it back, just hit the / key, go to tokens, and select the token that you need. So this is how you can customize any page of your course. Remember that you can reach all of your pages through step 4. You don't need to customize every page in here if you're not using them. All you need to think about customizing is the pages that your students are actually going to see. And that will be determined by what you have visible to them on your menu. So right now, for example, in this course, I have a menu that takes people to the All Trainings page, which we were just looking at. I have a menu taking them to the bonuses, I have a custom page, and I have a forum. So I could go into step 4 and I could change any of those specific pages, but I don't need to worry about changing every single page in step 4 because a student will only see a page if I have a tab on the navigation menu that is leading directly to that page. So you'll want to make sure that you customize any pages that your students will see with whatever text you want to use, and that is how you can change the language to be whatever you need.